Alright guys, I can't put it off any longer. I'm gonna get the engine back in the KTM. We'll get this thing running again. I don't remember where most things go, so this is gonna be quite the process, and yeah, let's get right into it. Alright, so topped up on fluids, and I went ahead and I pulled the fuse that's the fuel pump and ignition, so hopefully we can just crank the bike over, get a little oil circulated before trying to fire up. Take our no oil sign off and see if the ignition works, or see if she turns on. Let me give her a quick tap. Might not even turn over like that. Are we in neutral? Oh no, we're in first. There we go, now we're in neutral. Alright, here we go, a little moment of truth. Let's see if I put everything back together properly. Oh, heard the fuel pump. Everything looks good there. Not leaking anything. Alright, let's try and fire her up. Alright guys, we did it. We put the KTM back together, and all I have are 4 little pieces left. We got, I don't know, a bolt, a spacer, a wash, and 2 washers. That's pretty good for a whole bike. I mean, like, yeah, these extra bits, I'm not too worried about. She runs great. I filled up the radiator and the oil. We're going to be checking that up, topping it off as we bleed the coolant and we get the oil running through it. The next time you see this bike, we're going to be taking it for a sweet little rip. And I've got a few other surprises coming up, a couple upgrades. We've got a nice new chain here. I've also painted the tail, which I think I mentioned in one of the other videos. And I've got a tail tidy, so the big giant plastic monster isn't going back on this. You guys have been killing it, showing me a ton of support. It's getting me really amped up, and I'm really excited to hang out in the garage even more. Like, I can't even express it. It's really awesome to have this much of like a cool following for something that I just love doing. And so yeah, look forward to a little bit more KTM. Yeah, I'm sure you can see the Aprilia in the background. It's getting some love too, don't worry. But we'll get to that another day. Thank you for hanging out with me in the garage. I'll see you on the next one.